In this video, we will demonstrate how to use RBH Blueline Reader. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store, search and install RBH Mobile BT. Tap the download icon. Before you open the app, make sure you have Bluetooth and location service enabled. Let's go to Settings, Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth. Let's go back and go to Privacy, Location Service, enable location service. Now let's start the app. Follow the prompt and tap OK. There is a serial number shown in the middle of the app. You will need to pass the serial number to the property manager. If you have an Android, go to Play Store, search and install RBH Mobile BT. Tap Download. Before you open the app, make sure you have Bluetooth and location service enabled. Let's slide down to get the drop-down menu. Enable Bluetooth and locations. Let's run the app. Follow the prompt and tap OK. Allow. There's a serial number shown in the middle of the app. You will need to pass the serial number to the property manager. Next, the property manager needs to add the serial number to the access system software. Now I finished adding the serial number to the system. Now let's try the phone app. On the iPhone app, tap the door icon. It sends its serial number to the reader. Now I am on the Android app. Tap the door icon. It also sends its serial number to the reader. Now let's go back to the access system software. You can see the door was unlocked using both serial numbers from the iPhone and the Android phone. In this video, we demonstrate how to use RBH Blueline Reader.